All right, look out. We're here. This is the travel size portions. I forgot to show that in the other video with the foam soaps, but this is how to make a body scrub and protection mist. But right now, before that, we're going to show you how the little travel size. So if you want to travel, if you are a mobile esthetician, you're going from state to state or from place to place, these are small. You have your labels on there. That's all I'm showing you. Oh yeah, hand them out, show people. These are like your little sample sizes. And they're very small. You only need to add a little bit, but they go a long way. So I just wanted to show you that. I should have showed you that in the other video, but man, I was a little bit out of pocket for that. I was tripping. So yes, say you have sensitive skin. So now we learned that. Let's learn about sensitive skin and why we want to learn how to make this type of body scrub or facial scrub. It's for the body and face or feet, wherever you have sensitive areas. Rosacea, you may have psoriasis, you may have plaque psoriasis, you may have a cuperose nose and all that good stuff, or some sort of eczema or poison ivy. So no, you need calamine lotion for that. But if you have that sensitive skin, oh yeah, here you go. That's bad for our skin. We should be using distilled water or spring water. But see how it emulsifies, it liquefies really quickly. It only did taps of water, like little dabs. I didn't sprinkle a whole bunch of water on my arm. That's just a little bit, and it just literally, right, it's smooth. It's like butter, like seriously, or silk. Or now it's like, oh, this is the proper amount of oil it should, and it's still gritty a little bit, but you can't see the grit like you would see a normal scrub. You'll see the little crystals. This one is so fine that you just feel it and you can hear it. So let's listen. Okay, so now you're gonna wash it off. And it's very, very easy to wash off. It doesn't stick at all. But look, see how the water beads off my arm? So now, I'm so sorry the video cut off like that. My battery on my phone died and I dried my arm already, but it's sweet. So here, we're gonna use it for the face. Just a little bit. This time we're using the proper amount, just a little small. Absorbs it and it turns it into like a liquid, which is like a little secret hack that most product making people, they don't want you to know how easy it is to make products sometimes because they want to make all the money. But this one emulsifies on its own. It basically emulsifies, liquefies at the same exact time. Sort of like a surfactant. When you're putting oil and water, the oil stays on the top of the surface and the water stays at the bottom. But how do you mix both of them together? You need a surfactant. A surfactant is like the middleman. It brings both sides together, like a neutral party, like a diplomat. You're trying to calm everybody from fighting in war, you need a diplomat. So from here, yes, you need to just go ahead and wash everything off. And yes, see, the water beating off the face, it's nice and smooth. It's a good gentle scrub to where you won't hurt anybody's skin. So far, so great on even the most sensitive skin. So now, oh yeah, we are now working on the protection mist. We need to be protected, oh yes, from all hurt, harm, and danger. Lord bless us. So now, you get a little bottle here. You just put your cap on your bottle. And you're gonna go ahead and shake it up. That's right. About 8 to 10 times. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. And then from here, you see how it's like a nice mist. It's like little small bubbles inside. It's like, whoa. And it looks cool. The video doesn't no justice, but you see it. Yeah, it's like shimmering little bubbles, and it's amazing. Yeah. And it's a good mixture. It mixes well. Oh yeah, yep. Spray, 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 spray. Circular motions. Pray about it. Get through your day. Somebody getting on your fucking nerves, beeping their damn horn in traffic. I'm like, what is going on with the road rage these days? That's right. Peace out. Oh yeah, Wakanda forever. All that good stuff. Protection. Protection. That's right. You be your own Wakandan warrior or whatever you're gonna be. Captain America, whoever you're the new Captain America, Falcon America. Oh yeah, Black Captain America. I tell you, the world is changing. For the better. About damn time. I hope it's for the better. But yeah, it's coming a swirly world, and we're all coming as one, and that's why we all need protection from the crazy people. Bless this world. Bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video.